cutting going on for the temple. And now we are going towards ashram location. Their already cutting is finished, and now the pillars are coming up. You can see. Yeah, the work is going on now. You can see this is for the ashram. And the back side, the huge guest house. For that, the cutting is already over. Now we will be starting the construction there. This is a 5-story guest house building behind. Ashram. This is happening now. Continue. You can see behind. Huge place. You can see this. Cutting has already happened. In this place, a massive guest house plus we have steam kitchen plus Govindas. Still recorded our property. From the back side, this place is open.